Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
So we got
What's up, Rude Awakening? What's up? What's up? Good morning, everybody that's joining. It is FOMC day, and we do have earnings at the end of the day with quite a few companies after hours. So yeah, I'm sim today. I am sim today. Or just do cheap evals or something like that if you don't care too much, but no new setup today. I just didn't change the title. This is the new setup. Yeah, though, FOMC later today, so there's a good chance we just kind of chop around until then. So yeah, 2 and 2:30 are the big times of the day, and then we have Tesla earnings later. We have Tesla. We have Microsoft. We have Meta, and that's it for today. Tesla, Microsoft, Meta. So those are very big companies though, so take up a lot of the market, a lot of the S&P and NASDAQ and such. So
Order filled.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. I bought a cheap eval to play around with. I muted it though, so it won't freak anybody out that they got a random order filled. Market opens in just about 2 minutes. 2.5 minutes, so see where we want to go today. We got close to the giant gap down from Sunday, so we could see a potential return to that. Big little drop on that candle there. Let's see. 1 minute to the open. Looks like we might want to drop before the open here. Getting a little bit of a wick. Market opens really soon. About 20 seconds until the market opens, actually. Ten seconds. Alrighty guys, market's open. Quiet in here today though. I can already tell everyone's a little tired today. Also FOMC, so I hope actually it's a quiet day in here. Good morning, Mr. Motorsport. Good morning. We can start trading for the bots in about a minute. morning, TJ. Good morning, everybody. We are dropping on the open. We are eligible for trading right now, so I don't really see any potential trades, but we are eligible. Gonna take out the low at 60. Yep, just did. Looks like we might want to. We have some room until. I mean, probably like 5.15s, to be quite honest. Do we have a couple potential shorts up here? Couple potential trades. I don't think we'll hit them. So. You guys trading live today? You trading eval? You trading sim? What's going on? What's the plan for you guys today? Sim, gotcha. Eval, okay. Pretty normal, just watching close. All right, TJ, you be careful though. You be careful. We want to probably move to 530 right now. A little bit of liquidity there, 530. Everything else is dumping right now. So got real close to 530. We definitely take that liquidity. Definitely. Find a long position. I don't know what you mean. Getting some sim today, Jules. Morning, Ronnie. Yeah, no one truly knows what's going to happen today, right? Pretty big dump, though, for sure, this right there on the morning. I personally want to see a dump down to the lows here at 30. And then I want to see potential bounce from 30 or 515. But looks like we are getting some buying here for sure. Nice, there's 30s. Alright, so I took 2 eval trades. Just manually, I'll show you guys here, okay? Up 929. So took a short right here. A short right here. And got out at this low. It was a good risk reward, 2.5. Obviously, yeah, could have held, but didn't really want to hold the open. And then took a short here. Pretty much just from this little valley gap. A really tight stop again. It was about, yeah, 15 point stop, 14 point stop. So that's pretty tight for NQ. And was going to hold to the low. Once I saw that candle start to really just dump, I hopped out. So about 1.6, 1.7 risk reward there. So not too bad. New eval to play around with today. Plus 930. I think I'll probably leave it at that for the day. Unless I see something that I think looks good, but we are bouncing, yeah, from 9 or 530s with a lot of support around 513. Yep, I agree, TJ. Never truly know what's going to happen, right? Never truly know. We can think, yeah, the market should bounce here. We don't know. Really don't know. No trades for SBS today. But plus 930 eval that I was playing around with. Just to prove, okay, I can still manually trade. Okay, I can. There it is. That's just 50K. But both those trades were only risking this trade up here. I only risked $200 and I made $550 And this trade right here, I risked, yeah, what is that? $300, and I made, yeah, about $400 ish, right around, probably more like right here, but 1.5R. Could have held to my initial targets, obviously, but you never know on days like today. Rather be safe than sorry, right? Dumping into that level, that strong fair value gap level. The most you can even make on a tap step eval in a day is 1500. Exactly 1500. Because you can't make more than 50%, so. Morning, Aramir. Morning, morning. No trades on SBS so far. Still continuing a bit lower. No trades really on the horizon that I can see. Big sell wick on this candle. Big sell wick. It's not the best sign for bulls. Looks like pretty much everything's dropping pretty heavy right now as well. All right, I just bought this low as well. So I literally hopped out so quick though. So I just took this trade as well. We dipped here. I got in at 502. Put my stop to about there. This is on the wick back up. And pretty much once I was up like about there, 1-to-1, I just jumped out for 250. Possible short on 32 range, yes, you are correct. We didn't hit that yet. So 12.5 points there. I could have held it till about here and hit my 1500 on the day. But yeah, took that about 1-to-1. Reasoning for this was bounce out from right here, bounce out from right here. We dipped right into this overlapping gaps again. Assumed, you know, looked like we were starting to get a little wick, so I jumped in, opted out for about 10 points, 12 points there. So I'll call that an official day. Okay, $1,200. That's about as good as I can do on a top step eval for the day. So it's pretty much always gonna take you 3 days to pass the top step eval at least, because they have 50%, I'm pretty sure, consistency, so you can't oh yeah, I have my charts on the other screen. That's meant that way. Oh yeah, it's behind my picture. I know what you mean. Oh god, I'm not used to this. Okay. Took long off these gaps here once we started to get a wick. So this is a trade just about 12 points, tight stop there. But yeah, you can't really make more than 1500 anyway, so it'd have to be 1500 perfectly, which doesn't really happen. We are in a 48 range trade. It's this exact same as this 15-second trade. Just so, you know, my face is covering it, but it's the exact same trade. Trade's looking pretty good. Bouncing pretty much from those gaps again that I marked out here with my little squiggly lines. Yeah, bouncing from here. The only problem is there's a lot of downside pressure from everything else, so yeah, lots of downside pressure there. Morning, Traders Syndicate. Good morning, good morning. Remember, sim or cheap accounts you don't care about today because it is FOMC day, okay? Touching this again. That's not too bad, actually. Double bottom there. Perfect double bottom. We probably take that liquidity. Yeah, we did. I'm debating doing another long. Oh, I could have. It would have worked out, but I'm gonna just close my top step X so I'm not tempted to make more money. Oh boy. I won't even repeat that. My developer made it. I don't remember the time it took. Dang, I debated taking a long like right here, literally near the bottom, probably like 497, 498, because we took out these lows, tapped in there. That would have been my other 250 bucks for the day. But I didn't have the balls to do it. Didn't have the balls to do it, man. We got really close to stopping out here. We didn't. Still in the 48 range trade as well. Anyway, I did close my top step X, so I don't take any more trades for that eval. We did hit first TP on both these charts just to show you here as well, right? I don't want to stretch my luck on that eval too much on FOMC day. I did. I did, Mr. Syndicate. Yes. Look at us pump up here. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's drop some more likes on the live, guys. I usually like to go for 30. And dang, I'm wishing I just took this long here. Wishing I took that long. Would have hit the 1500, but okay, no regrets, no regrets. What was I gonna say? Oh, full TP. I think we'll turn those off for the day. So that's 560 on both of these charts. I know we're on sim, but like still we don't want to stretch the luck too much. And wow, those longs off of where I was pointing out earlier, just working beautifully right now. 32 range, not gonna work out. That's all right. It turns around right now, but it doesn't look very good. Again, we really have no idea what's going to happen because FOMC today doesn't make anything easy. So looks like we might turn around. We're about to hit the trigger, the 45% profit trigger, which should be probably right. Yep, right there. First TP hit, 20 points. Let's see if we can hit full TP here. I would just shut it down. I mean, you could shut it down after this too, but let's see. No. Okay. 320. And because we were in this trade, there was another long right here. So if you saw that, if you saw this long, you could have flattened your position right at this area here. You would have gotten an extra, 15 points or so. But yeah. Should we do a poll today? Should we do a poll? I really do want to do a poll, but I don't know what to do. Looks like the equities dropping pretty heavy right now. Looks like Tom just posted profits again. He is grabbing money. M&Q 32 range, first trade of the day. 750 risk per trade, and he's done about $1,000 on 4 different funded accounts. Awesome. Awesome. It's only been 30 minutes. It's been a lot of action, I feel like, in 30 minutes. Yeah, debating just if you are trading accounts you do kind of care about, or evals even, you know, consider shutting her down early. I'm not saying you have to do it right now. I mean, that's all up to you. Just be careful. Yeah, that's all. I'm gonna post these gains right now though. Gonna post these gains. So 320 on 32, and then 563, and then guess what? Another 560. Guess I didn't need to take another screenshot there. Yeah, I saw, Tom. Good stuff. Good stuff. That's awesome. Looks like you are doing decent so far. Yeah, doing pretty good on your funded accounts. I mean, you're up about 1,600. Pretty good. You probably started those about like 2-3 days ago. Yeah, one and done days are nice. I mean, you could do that every day. Well, not every day. It doesn't win right off the bat every day, but let's do a portfolio, or a poll about the portfolio. So let's just get an idea. I'm gonna be releasing a waitlist for that in probably a month, once I release all the data and stuff of that. Show everybody how it works. Let's do Nice. Rude Awakening. 300. And then Tom, our other Tom, 500. Awesome. Good stuff. Poll, you don't have to vote, but it's anonymous, so it's just, will you join the portfolio wait list? It's cash accounts only, remember? But yeah, good yearly gains. So, and that's just an estimate. I can give you guys more exact data soon, but yeah, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Too many Toms. There is a lot of Toms. There's way too many Toms in this room. Or the poll's anonymous, so I can't see whatever you put up there. I'm not offended either way, okay? Argenito, holy smokes, my guy. Here we go. Here we go, Argenito. 32 is about to come up onto another trade. So, Argenito does kill it. Only one Tom, yeah. Cost, that'll be discussed in probably a few weeks. Still going over some stuff with that, so. But it'll just be yearly plans, Justin, so there's not going to be any monthly options for that, so. If that gives you like a little bit of a ballpark, you know. Argenito's calling it a day. Oh, we got one tick away from the entry long here on the 32 range. Literally. I think the entry's 1975 and we hit 20. Yeah, one tick from that long entry. Same thing on the 48 range. It would have been the same trade. Curtis, aka Media Boy, had this 64 range long. Let me open this in the browser so it's a little bigger. That's nice. That's nice. Up about 800 bucks. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, that, dude, come on, that's just terrible. You guys see that, right? We got one or two ticks away from entry long here, and then it pumps up 30 points, 35 points. Like, come on. That's crazy. That's just crazy. Yeah. That would have been a nice win too. Really nice. You're in here, cast a vote on that poll. We got 45 people in here. 14 votes. Anonymous. Okay. Just a yes or no. Just a yes or no. Let's think here. Yeah, that would have been a nice quick win. That's kind of sad. Thinking, should we end the live, or should we wait and get one more trade, and then win or lose, we just turn around, walk away. How's ES doing? ES is looking pretty bullish compared to NQ. Yep, ES is more bullish than NQ. Yep, Argenito calling it a day. Nice. My email, Traders Syndicate. Is that what you're asking? Yeah, here for anyone. Here's the Discord business email. Anyone needs to reach out with questions, there you go. Okay. Man, that long would have been nice. Literally missed it by a tick. That's just unfortunate. That's just unfortunate. But yeah, if anyone has any questions, reach out to that email, or you can DM me, whatever you like the most. We just got a long 32 range and 1 minute, and we are dumping fast. So that's a loss. That is a loss. Man, we missed the perfect long by a tick, and then we get that. Come on. made a new chat called the Anything Chat. In the Discord. The Anything Chat. Really gonna get wicked out like that. It's FOMC, right? That's why we're on Sim. One minute, I didn't even realize. Doing decent on this trade. We're getting close to that profit trigger. Should be pretty much any second. Probably around 42, I would guess. All right, we hit first target. Look at that. Just got wicked out there. No, that's what happens on FOMC day. Is you get a lot more liquidity sweeps because you're just, it's building liquidity up until FOMC so that it can have a big move, right? Would have gotten a short here on the 48 range in 15 second if we had those enabled. Heads up. Okay. One minute stopped out for profit. We'll just turn that off. I think we'll call that a morning, actually. It's 10:15. We're starting to get choppy. 32 range is pretty much break even. We're down $80. I'm saying that's break even. 15 seconds up 560. 48 range is up 560. 1 minute is up 270. Overall, pretty green. So I think we'll call it a day, guys. Please be careful the rest of the day. FOMC later and earnings. So earnings after hours. So be careful. I will see everyone tomorrow, guys. I'll see you later.